Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to replace an electrical outlet. First step is to check for voltage. Probe here and probe here. As you can see, we have 0 volts. So we know that this circuit is not live. Alright, first step is to go ahead and remove the outlet. And just to let you know, I'm using an S1 by 4-inch insulated screwdriver. Alright. Next step is going to be to prepare the wire. Since I have enough extra cable, I'm just going to snip this off, make a new connection. Zoom in so you can see. Next step, I'm going to strip. Take this, bend it at the edge. Bend that at the edge. And this is my new outlet. It's got USB ports. Alright, so it looks like this takes in push-in connectors. So I'm going to have to cut off the loops that I made. And again, since we have plenty enough cable, I don't have to worry about the wire being too short. Alright, so Let's cut that off. All right, now we're gonna restrip. Right now, one says hot. Screw this until it tightens. Right now we're going to test it, make sure it doesn't come out. We're going to pull it and snug. I'm going to put the neutral in. Right now we're going to ground. All right, it's grounded. I'll take these wires. Tuck things in. To make things a little bit quicker, I'm going to use my drill. You can use a screwdriver. All right, that is it. Now we're gonna turn our power on and we're gonna test the outlet. I'm gonna use this Chester. And as you can see, it's correct. If you look at the diagram here, it tells you based on the lights what's wrong. This right now says 2 yellows, meaning it's correct. The circuit is complete. And that's it. That's how you install an outlet.